Hi everyone, I'm Lisa Cooper, 56 years old, and today I'm going to show you how to achieve an eye look using brown mascara featuring all L'Oreal Paris products. Let's get started. I'm starting with the Infallible Fresh Wear Bronzer. I'm going to use this as a base in the shade Medium. This is a matte bronzer that I'm going to use as my eyeshadow base. And I'm just going to lightly sweep this over my lid. Because I have a hooded eye, I like to go well above the crease and then up and out. For the illusion of lift and depth, matte shades like this are perfect for mature skin because they won't emphasize texture or fine lines. It gives this soft, blurred dimension that is super flattering. Next, I'm going to use the Paradise Le Shadow Sticks. I'm going to start with this beautiful shade Magnetic Bronze. These are so creamy and they just glide on effortlessly. They blend so beautifully and honestly, you cannot mess these up. I'm only placing this on my lid and then I'm going to blend it up and out again for a more lifted look. By blending out towards your corners, this is going to give you a more lifted look. It also gives your eyes a more open and awake look. Then I'm going to use this beautiful twinkly rose shade just in the inner corners for a subtle pop of light. It just instantly makes your eyes look fresh and awake, which we all love. Now for definition, I'm going to use the Infallible Grip Mechanical Gel Eyeliner in brown. This glides on so easy and it's waterproof, smudge resistant, and another product you just can't mess up. And then I want to hit my waterline and get all up in those lashes. It really helps define the eye without looking harsh. Brown is especially beautiful on mature eyes because it gives definition while staying soft and neutral. And now the star of the show, Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara in Latte Brown. This mascara is so good. It's volumizing, lengthening, and clump resistant. And I like to wiggle up from the base of my lashes. What I love about using brown instead of black, it's such a beautiful, natural, soft look. Look at the difference. As I've gotten older, my lashes have thinned out so much, and this mascara gives me back that fluttery, wide awake look. And that's the look. Soft, lifted, and perfect for every day. Using shades that really flatter mature eyes. If you want to learn more about these products and where to buy, head over to L'Oreal Paris USA.com. Links are below.